I see with brand new eyes. No, I've never been so sure. Take my hand, let's run into the unknown. This is the beginning.
Yeah. A lot of people think they're slimy, but they're not slimy, are they?
Oh wow, that is different. I'm way afraid. Like that's the closest I've ever gotten to a snake.
I get bit by them all the time.
Oh really?
When babies first come out, they want to bite you.
Yeah.
You'd be surprised it doesn't hurt.
No.
I've been bit by, not her, but see how big she is?
Yeah.
She's 3,000 grams. I've been bit by her, not by her, but by one of my other females, and it's gone within 3 days.
Oh wow.
Yeah. It's like getting your finger.
Black pastel Leo This one's called a jungle carpet. Yeah, we're not getting this. Look at these guys up here. We're probably not gonna buy anything.
You see how the way up?
Spicy.
Yeah. They look pretty spicy.
I don't want to look them in the eye.
I kind of want to cross the gecko now.
Yeah, well, we have plenty of pets.
Oh,
There's one that's staring at us.
look at that beauty.
That thing is blowing me away.
The difference in the size.
Baby, adult. Baby, adult.
That's insane. What is this?
It's not a time.
Oh, dude, look, that's so long.
I'm more interested in that like
He said he wants to hold one.
You want to hold a snake?
No.
Yes, no? Look at that one.
So if I don't even like that'll work. Yeah, that'll work out better.
Take a lot of that out. The only reason I have mine in front of the window, and the only reason is because I have a bio and I have mine with you. It's like the ones from Harry Potter.
Yeah, it's got like a wider trunk.
Exactly. You know what's really cool is they're not actually a scorpion. And they're not a spider. But they're an arachnid. They're cousins with spiders and scorpions, but they're in their own class. They're really cool. This one, if you look, she's kind of fat because she's going to have babies. How many do they have? 100 or so. Oh, wow.
Yeah, we don't need that. Let's keep walking.
Yeah.
Look at these guys. Cute.
Do you like this color?
Those are definitely dinosaurs. All these lizards. Look at all those. Golden teggies, that's what they have on St. Discovery, isn't it? Commons. Extra large red-foot tortoise. These are cute baby red-foot tortoises. Those ones are cute, as opposed to the other ones. Are you a tortoise?
Oh, that's not Dad.
That's-
He's like, wait, buddy, I'm right here.
Look at the snake, baby. Look at that. Oh my god.
What do you think? It's kind of heavy. Do you want to get a photo?
Nice job, dude. Look at you.
But I trust him 100%. He will not hurt you.
What do you think, bud?
Do you want to pat
What do you
him?
think? He's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, kind of like when he was showing you with the other snake, you don't have to be worried about holding him. Like you can just hold him however you are comfortable, and he'll be comfortable.
You want to pat him? He's nice. He's a nice one. You like his color? He's yellow. See how friendly he is? He's letting the girl hold him. You don't have to.
Yeah, ball python, typical lazy, don't really do a whole lot. The only thing he does sometimes is he'll like crawl up and wrap himself around you, which is kind of cute. But that's the one I get out for because he's so great. Kind of bumpy but smooth.
Yeah.
Sure you want to try?
Maybe not.
Look at this one. He's like, put me in the picture.
There's this one.
I saw a video on PetSmart. That's his
That must be like the lavenders or whatever.
The little ones are softer than these guys.
Use your hands like this and put these under the legs. Spread them out. There you go.
Look at that blue tongue.
Oh, look at his tongue.
Yeah, blue tongue for sure, huh? That's cool.
Get a little squiggly.
Yeah.
But if you support
There's this, a baby of her. Oh, wow.
That's what we have under our deck, but with horns.
Put it in our crawl space. Filling all the buckets for us. Put it in there.
He may start to see what he's doing now with the nose. They'll start to dig into your hand actually, because that's what they do when they're ready to get away. They'll dig, they'll burrow.
So tiny.
He's got he's around me. See if we can get him more than that.
It's everything's written down in the diet.
Yeah.
And her information will be in the food to tell you
How big do they get?
Not very big. Males, I don't know if you guys are familiar with garter snakes.
Yeah.
Males will get about the size of a garter snake, 2 foot, maybe 80 to 120 grams. Females will get 6-8 inches longer, but they'll put on another 200-300 grams, so they get a lot thicker. So they do well with handling.
Yeah. What do you think
Going
about that,
back in there, bud?
Yeah, that's pretty cool, huh? That's a big change from one of those
Something
pythons out there.
size to it.
Two snakes?